Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great manifestation day today. I'm just going to go over a few of the signs that your manifestation is near. These are signs that show up in my life. One of the things I'm working on is deeper relationships and deeper love in my relationships, and that's all kinds business, family, romance, the whole nine yards. Well, what's happening is I'm getting closer to what I'm wanting. What's showing up is exes, ex-husbands, and ex-husbands talking to other ex-husbands. I've got three ex-husbands actually, but one is in heaven, and it's not exactly what I want to manifest, but it is showing me that I am warmer. I am seeing all kinds of numbers 111, 222, 333, and so on at a constant level. Now, you want to pay attention to these numbers because that's when you're in alignment with the divine, with God, and with the universe trying to send you messages. I have another video on the meanings of those numbers. So check it out in my description and on my channel. There's videos on angel numbers. Also, like in your dreams, be aware of the numbers in your dreams. Who are you dreaming about? What is happening in your dreams? What numbers are appearing? I am seeing 111. Okay, we see all kinds of numbers, but we want to pay attention to these. These are alignment messages. These are messages from our spirit guides, from the divine, from the universe that are helping us, leading us, guiding us. And before you go to bed, you can ask for signs in your dreams and in your waking life to show you you're on the right path. So, all these put together, which is fun to watch, a little shocking when people show up out of your past that you haven't talked to in years, but it's all signs that you're going in the right direction, that you're getting warmer, that you're aligning more, that things are coming into your life and your manifestations are almost ready to appear. So you want to fine tune, you want to stay in a happy mode as much as possible. When you find yourself off or feeling off, just go do something that makes you happy. Go listen to music. Go set more intentions, but then forget them. And you don't actually forget them, you leave them alone. Like a Amazon order. When you order on Amazon, you're not emailing them or calling them every 5 minutes to see where your package is. You want to do that with your manifestations and with God and the universe. Once you pray, set your manifestations, set your intents, and all of the things that you are doing to manifest, you want to go about your day and just have an attitude of so be it, so it is. It's coming, it's coming. You've got the money, you've got the man, you've got the relationship in your family that you want, whatever it is that you're after. Just have a lighthearted attitude because all of this is supposed to be fun. And the more we hold on to the outcome of it that we think we want, the more we are pushing against what actually is going to come into our lives. We always have the attitude of this or something better. So we don't know if we're asking for $50,000 if the universe decides it's going to send us $150,000. Whatever it is that you're wanting to manifest, lighten up about it because something great is going to come in no matter what. And as you've seen the signs that your manifestation is near and you start manifesting little things around you, just fine tune it. Have a good laugh about it, because the universe works in synchronicities, and it's amazing what shows up. I mean, just one after the other after the other. And you have to giggle and laugh about it. It's supposed to be playful and fun. So, with that, I will leave you for today. I hope this helps somebody. I thought it was pretty cool, and I love to share my own experiences with you. And it's just a fun way of noticing that you're getting closer. God bless you all and have a great day. Bye for now.